Odoo Manufacturing Module. What we cover in this video: set product route to manufacture, create BOM, create a manufacturing order with BOM, check produced quantity in the inventory module. Steps: open manufacturing app, click products, select the product to be manufactured. Click Inventory tab, tick the Manufacture checkbox under Routes. Create BOM. Navigate to Manufacturing, Products, Bill of Materials. Click Create. Define product and BOM type. Select the product and product variant. BOM type. Choose from Manufacture this product. Add components under the Components tab. Click Add a line. Select each raw material, component, accessories, fabric red, label, button, tag, etc. Specify the quantity required for each component. Define operations under the Operations tab. Click Add a line. Define the Work Center cutting department and operation name cutting. Add any instructions for workers. Click Save and New. Follow the same process for other operations, stitching and finishing. Save BOM. Create MO manufacturing order. Go to Manufacturing, Operations, Manufacturing Orders. Click Create, select the product, and confirm it. Odoo will automatically pull the BOM components. Click Work Orders tab, start and done the operations one by one. Click Produce All, check produced quantity in Inventory module. Go to Inventory app, click Manufacturing. The produced quantity added into stock, quantity 30.